Hey my loves, welcome back to another video. If you're seeing me for the first time, hello, my name is Fola, my OG subscribers. How you guys doing? So today it's a vlog. I want you guys to, today is Sunday 13th of August 2023. I have quite a lot of things to do, so I wanted to just carry you guys along. It's a typical Sunday in my life. I didn't go to church, in case you're wondering. I didn't go to church. I streamed service online today. So the time is 11 o'clock. Wow, the time is 11 o'clock. I have a lot of things to do today. I want to film like content to last for 2 weeks, because I'm trying to be consistent on both my Instagram and here on YouTube. I know you guys have not seen more of me, you know, this past few months, so I'm trying to come back gradually. So I just thought, why not carry you guys along with me? Why not bring you as I go about my day? So I want to film, I want to cook. I usually don't cook, but I've been craving fish stew. You know this normal fish sauce that you can use to eat rice, to eat spaghetti, to eat yam. Yeah, so I've been craving it. So I want to cook and I want to film. Now I've scripted some of the things I want to film about today. I have 3 different platforms that I usually create video content for my YouTube. You know, YouTube, I do skincare and normal lifestyle for my YouTube. And then I have a personal Instagram page where I do perfume and my own lifestyle as well. Then I do perfume too on YouTube, you know, but I feel you guys don't really like my perfume content, so I might probably stop putting it out. Then for my, if you know me, if you're an OG, you know I'm a realtor, I sell real estate. So I also have an Instagram account where I put out content concerning real estate. So when I want to get productive, the first thing I do is I make sure that my room is in a productive mood. So I make my bed, I sweep, I clean up, I just tidy the entire place so that I know that I'm already, I'm ready to hit the ground running. So I'm going to be cleaning the room now, make the bed and do some cleaning. Then I also I'll go have my bath, then I will start filming. So I'll film first, then once I'm done filming, I'll cook. If I say let me cook before I film, I'll be too tired. Okay, so come with me. So I just finished my makeup now. I'm just going to put on my outfit. That's the dress I want to wear. I'm going to just start filming. So I've scripted everything. Hey guys, I finally finished filming. The time is 5:41 and I just finished. So I've been working since 11. I think today is a very productive day for me. I was able to film like 10 or maybe 8 videos. Okay, yes, I was able to film 8 videos both for YouTube. I think I filmed 2 for YouTube. I filmed 2 for my business page, and I filmed 4 for my other personal content. So yeah, today is a very productive day, but I am starving. I am hungry. 5:42. I'm on Oti. And the last time I ate yesterday was around 2. I had only 1 meal, so I'm trying to do 1 meal a day. I've added weight. I know that if I do 1 meal a day for like a month, I will drop one dress size, down. So I'm trying to do that. I started 2 days ago. I had 1 meal a day yesterday around 2, and it's almost 6 p.m. I've not eaten. So by the time I go to the market to get, food stuff, I'll probably eat by 8, and then maybe by 5 or 6 tomorrow. At least by the time I come back home tomorrow, I'll eat. So that is it. Really, ordinarily, I would say, because I'm so tired, I just want to buy food. I'm really, really craving fish sauce. I'm craving fish sauce and boiled yam, and that's what I'm going to have. Thankfully, my auntie came from Ekiti and she brought yam for me. She brought like 5 tubers for me and my sisters, so they are not at home. I'll always finish it before they come back. That's my sisters. So yeah, okay. So I'm just stepping out of the house now to trash. I want to trash this can. To buy guys, the time is 8:37 and I did not even eventually losing my hair. I don't know, I'm so tired. I don't know if I will still be able to loosen it, so I just finished cooking and all of that. I think this is where I will end this vlog. Thank you so much for sticking around. I'll see you in another one, or maybe I'll still see you if I'm able to still losing this hair tonight, which I doubt, but never say never. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Bye.